many friends I had on Facebook, they unfriended me. There were a lot of talks behind my back. Nobody had the guts to come face on and tell me. I had made up my mind, to hell with all these people. My son's happiness is most important to me. I am a mother to my gay son, Harish Iyer. Till 6 months, he had curly hair, so cute he was.
So, Dave,
Harish, you have old photos. 2 days of hard labor, he was born. And I was very happy that it was a male child. Because we are three sisters. And I always believed that only the males are, especially patriarchy society, I felt only the males have the dominance and, they are only looked upon. Even as a child, I used to always feel when my cousin brothers used to be, say, showed more love. My granny used to shower more love on them. Then I used to feel, if at all you should be born as a boy. So when I had a boy, I was like very thrilled. He was a bubbly child, but then suddenly at the age of 7, around that time, he became very quiet. And I didn't know why he has become so quiet or why he has become such an introvert child. He never used to get out of the house, never go out to play. So that boggled me. But I came to know later on that he was abused. He wanted to create awareness. He wanted that people, other child should not be abused. So he went and talked about it extensively in the media, in other places. But he talked and he was relieved, but I was pushed into a shell. Because everything reciprocated in the form of, in the family, people turned back on me and they started abusing me and telling me that why your son is going and talking all this. For him, it was nothing. And for me, it was like everything. Like I had to face all the music of the family.
The life of Padma Iyer, as a mother to one of the first male rape victims who broke the silence on the abuse, has risen from tears to enlightenment alongside Harish. Harish is not just a survivor of child sexual abuse. His traumatic experiences have led him to evolve as a renowned activist, creating awareness on child sexual abuse and LGBTQ rights. But through all the struggles, shame and sufferings, also evolved the beautiful bond between Harish and his mother, Padma Iyer.
Slowly, he came and told me that he is gay. And I immediately thought because of the abuse, he has turned gay. He said, Mama, it's not like that. I am gay. He said, I'm not sure. Then I said, okay, we'll fix up an appointment. That in those days, he told there is a psychiatrist from whom we can go and talk. So on my insistence, he went and spoke to somebody and he came back and he told me now he is very much sure that he is gay. It is not because of the abuse. I said, okay, I take your word for it. I never visited any psychologist or psychiatrist and I believed him. And from that day onwards, I said, okay, I am there with you. There were a lot of talks behind my back. Nobody had the guts to come face on and tell me what is bothering them or what is happening.
Just like the majority of mothers, Mrs. Iyer wanted to see her son happily married. The only difference lied that she wasn't looking for a bride but a groom for her son. In May 2015, an ad published on Midday created a huge stir. This groundbreaking advertisement published by Padma Iyer seeking a match for Harish was believed to be India's first gay matrimonial ad.
That time, this smartphones had just started and things like that. So I started asking him, why don't you get married? A gay ad will be there. He said, no, there is no gay matrimonial ads. Nothing is there. Then we'll advertise in the newspaper. So it all started off just like matter of fact we were saying. Then he said, yeah, why not? We sat down to write the ad. So first we said, he said vegetarian because he's vegan. He said fully vegetarian and things like that. Then we said, I had written any caste will do. But then in the bracket we wrote Iyer preferred. And for that, I got lot of flakes. We were almost like ostracized from the community. Gay people are getting married. They are not looking at that. Just because I wrote I have preferred, they ostracized me. So many friends I had on Facebook, they unfriended me. Things like that started happening. There were a lot of talk regarding that also. But we just gave the ad. It was Harish who took the ad to different newspapers. Then we took the ad to many publications, but all the publication rejected, and it was Midday who published it. So I never thought that this is going to become a landmark advertisement, because the next it really became viral, and from the next moment always I started receiving 100 and so many mails and so many phone calls from radio, from foreign TVs, I just couldn't answer them back, and we were on the limelight.
This ad silently lodged between all the mothers looking for a match for their son had unknowingly initiated a social media revolution. At a time when gay matrimonial sites didn't exist, Mrs. Iyer's ad created a buzz around same-sex marriage and the rights surrounding them.
Nothing came out of it. But I was happy that it was, because it became you can call it a breakfast topic, every house people are talking about it. It was a ripple effect it had. At least people started talking about it in the community.
Once bounded by shackles of shame and silence, Padma Iyer has now emerged not only as a supermom but a super activist championing LGBTQ rights alongside son Harish.
Sweekar was a group of parents we were about 10 parents that day. Like when all parents came to Sridhar Rangayan, he did a movie, Evening Shadows. It was mother's acceptance towards a gay son. So he said crowdfunding movie it was. So he said 10% of the crowdfunding I'll give it to Sweekar. Not Sweekar. That day no name was formed. He told 10 parents to come together. Not 10 also, 7, 8 I think. We all came together. He had in a big hotel, we had some program explaining to us, what is acceptance and all that. Humsafar Trust people had come and we had a workshop sort of a thing. Then we formed this group. We named it Sweekar the Rainbow Parents. And slowly each one of us started collecting more parents. We'll tell Harish's friend, Arey, come and join this. Like that it started. Today we have 400 parents throughout the world.
While Mrs. Iyer has stood by her son through everything he has faced, deep down in her heart, somewhere fears loom about the time when she would no longer be part of Harish's journey.
I always dread the day what will happen to him after I leave the place. One or the other day I have to leave before him. So what will happen to him? So that fear I always have. Though he has found many boyfriends, he is in and out of relationships. There's nobody permanent. So maybe if this marriage is legalized, probably he'll find somebody. That's what I think. Again, wishful thinking. So I want that day to happen. I don't know whether it will happen.
Named as one of the most influential gay men in the world, Harish wouldn't have been Harish without the unconditional motherly support that held him strong through everything.
Being a mother, I'm really, really proud of him. That today I am facing a camera because of him. Maybe people may say it is for all wrong reasons. But what is wrong? Being born as a gay is wrong? That's not his. That is his destiny. That is what he was to be born. Not because I did something wrong or my husband did something wrong or there's some wrong demon in the family that he's born like this. No, God made him. He's a beautiful soul. He's a beautiful person. And God also made him such with some purpose. And today if he's taking on the world, probably God made him like that because he can help other people. I was happy to see him in this post. There's no words I can express which keeps us together, And I really feel very, very proud of him. And each time he crosses a milestone, he gets some award, something, I feel, sky is the limit. No, he has to still go up in life. He has to achieve something more. And feel very happy when people talk, in awe of him. People are in awe of him. And they talk good things about him. It really makes me very happy.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.